Hi everyone, it's Roger here from the Bitbucket Server team here in sunny Sydney. Today I wanted to show you the Rebase workflow that we've added in Bitbucket Server 5.5. For those who aren't familiar with Git Rebase, it's a command that you can run to replay your commits. That can be used for a bunch of different reasons, but in particular, people like to use a Rebase workflow to put their commits end on end when they're merging their pull requests in order to keep a linear history. It's very similar to the squash strategy that's already available, but instead of squishing everything into one commit, it preserves the commits that you wrote on your original branch. If you want more information about how Rebase works, you can check out Atlassian.com/Git, our microsite, which shows you heaps of information about using Git, and here in particular you can see how you use Git Rebase in general. Let's dive into how this looks now in Bitbucket Server 5.5. So here we are in a repository. This happens to be the Bitbucket Server repository. First of all, we're going to set up the Rebase merge strategy so that they are available when you're merging a pull request. To do that, we'll go into the repository settings and to merge strategies. Now you can see here that the settings are inherited from the project level, which is awesome if you want to do this across your whole project. For today, I'm just going to customize this particular repository and turn on the Rebase options. So you can see here there's two new options in the merge strategies list. One is Rebase and Merge, which basically replays those commits from your source branch on top of your target, but then does a merge commit quite similar to how you would normally with a regular pull request merge. The difference here is that by rebasing, you're bringing it at least more up to date, and so you will have less of those parallel lines in your merged graph. The more traditional one that people are familiar with is Rebase and Fast-Forward, and what that does is it replays those commits from your source branch on top of your target branch, say master, and then it simply fast forwards your master branch up to that point. So that's what gives you that linear history. So we'll turn those two options on, and then we'll go create a pull request. To do that, let's go have a look at our branches. And here's a great example here. The Gulp Forever branch here, you can see that it's 2 commits ahead and 5 commits behind master. What that means, if we rebase, we take the 2 commits that are in this branch that aren't in master, and we'll be replaying them 5 commits further along on that master branch before applying the pull request merge. So let's do that. We'll create a pull request, and we'll skip through a lot of the pull request process here because we really just want to show what the merge looks like. So I'll just jump straight ahead. Great. So normally here you'd have reviewers, you'd have a lot of back and forth, you might have some more changes going in. Once everything's approved, you would go ahead and merge. I'm going to do that right away. And here you can see merge commit, which we left as the default merge strategy, is still there. But now we have Rebase and Merge and Rebase and Fast Forward. Before I do that, I wanted to show you the Rebase command that we have mid-flight here as well. So you can rebase before merging if you just want to, in the middle of development, rebase your branch. You can always do this locally, but now there's a handy option to do it here as well. So let's jump into the merge screen and create a Rebase and Fast Forward. Simple as that. So now we've rebased and fast-forwarded our pull request, and we have a linear history. If we go and look at the commit history, we can now see that there is no merge commit. The 2 commits that we added from our source branch are simply tacked onto the master branch as required. Okay, so that's basically a quick overview of Rebase and Merge and Rebase and Fast Forward in pull requests available from Bitbucket Server 5.5. Check it out.